Welcome back, ladies, gents, and my non-binary friends. It's Taniamadeit, and I'm Tania, and today I'm going to be carving this owl for my boss as a gift for switching me from part-time to a full-time employee so I can receive health insurance because my current health insurance sucks. But anywho, as you can see, these parts I've already carved out with this micro V tool, which is what I'm going to be using for the very fine areas. And I'm going to be using this Beaver knife as well. It's usually the one I reach for because of its versatility. The links to Beaver are in my description. Also a 15% discount code to their website. So go ahead and look at that if you wish to buy any of the tools. They have recently come up with a new line of palm tools and all that. Hopefully I'll get some of those soon so I can use those. But anywho, I'm going to be carving this owl out as a gift. She likes owls. When I first started working for her, I drew her a very realistic owl and framed it for her, and she has it in her office still. So now as a gift for her, switching my employment to full-time, I'm going to be carving this out. Either way, if I switch knives, like usual, I'll show it to the camera and continue to carve in the time-lapse. So hopefully you enjoy it. If you're looking for me, all my links and all that good stuff's in the description. Make sure if you like the video halfway through or at the end, you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the bell because I've heard that's very important. So, yeah, enjoy. everybody. Okay, so you saw me cut this out. Here's the, I thought there's like a little something there, but I guess it's just the wood pigment. You saw me cut this out. I've debated putting resin or acrylic or something in here to stand it out, but I did a test with the previous cutting that I had done, where I added butcher block conditioner as a finish and into the crevices and everything, and it made it stand out. And as you can see, the back of this is the exact same wood. So that's what I'm going to do to this to make it stand out, because I love the fact that you can feel this, and I love the feel that this butcher block finish leaves, where it's easy on the hands. And yeah, so I'm gonna add this finish to it and continue to finish talking to you guys. So the way I usually put this on is I'll use a rag, but for the carvings I use this little soft brush. As you can tell, I think it might be synthetic, I'm not quite sure, to be quite honest, but this way I get it into the crevices and I can get it into different areas that the rag can't, and it distributes it fairly nicely. But yeah, so I finished carving this out. I'm gonna finish putting this finish on it, and how many times can I say finish? And I know you guys. But I'm all done with it, and hopefully my boss likes it. But I think I might have added a little too much. It's okay. I'll add it to the sides and the back too, so it'll spread out evenly. But anywho, as you can see, it already makes the carving stand out, and the wood grain, which I really like on basswood. I think it's a very underrated wood, basswood and poplar. They're both very underrated in my opinion. I personally love using them both. They have beautiful grain, and for things like carvings and stuff like that, they're fairly easy to carve and have beautiful finish and give a beautiful finish. So look at that. I can't go wrong with that now, can ya? Okay, so I hope you guys love this video. I'm gonna finish adding this to the wood, and yeah. But yeah, there's a lot of projects in the way. Decided that my wood project schedule is gonna be every Monday, so look out for that. Every Monday I'm gonna have a brand new video, and hope you guys look forward to it. And if not, well, I'm still gonna have a video every Monday for your enjoyment or not. Please share, like, and subscribe. And I'm always up for any advice or any criticism on these videos. I'm here to entertain you guys, so whatever you feel is either not working or could potentially make things better on these videos, feel free to let me know in the comments. And if you don't like the video, don't just put dislike. Please tell me why. I would appreciate that. I know it's a long shot to ask for that, but you never know, right? Help a girl out is subscribe to this YouTube channel. If not for me, do it for this face. How can you say no to this face? Look at that. Subscribe to my mommy's channel, please. Please. Help her buy me more milk bones. I only work for milk bones.